Hi, friends. This is Mrs. Chapman. This is a book called All About Bats. If you're learning virtually, these books can't actually be downloaded, so they have to be run through a program called Screencastify, which allows me to share the screen with you. So as I slowly turn through the pages in this book, you're going to be actually watching it as a recording. So what I want you to do when I come to each page is to pause so that you can read the words on the page yourself, and then unpause to scroll on to the next page. All About Bats by Donna Latham. All About Bats. This is where you'll press pause in the recording to be able to read pages 2 and 3. After you finish reading the pages, start the video again and it will go on to page 4 and 5. Press pause again to read pages 4 and 5 about bats sleeping and being awake at night. After you've read these 2 pages, continue the video to be able to read pages 6 and 7. Press pause when you come to this page, read pages 6 and 7 about bats, then keep the video going. Read pages 8 and 9 about how bats hunt for food. Press pause so that you have time to read this page. On pages 10 and 11, it talks about how bats are able to fly using sound waves. Press pause so that you can read all the words on this page. Then keep the video going to see what happens on page 12 and 13. Pages 12 and 13 tell you more about the special sounds that bats make to help them fly. Press pause now so that you can read these pages. You're now almost to the end of the book. Press pause so that you can read pages 14 and 15. Congratulations! Once you read page 16, you have finished the book about bats. Press pause so you have time to read this page. Because this was a nonfiction book about bats, it contains something called a glossary. A glossary is a part of a book that usually comes at the end that tells you what certain words in the book mean. The words in the glossary in the book about bats were attic, echo, mammal, and roost.